Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover a fantastic opportunity in the serene and sought after Ballards Valley community just minutes from the town of Junction. This versatile property is perfect as a family home or an income generating investment. Designed as a two-family residence with separate entrances, it offers the ideal setup to live and earn without compromising privacy. The main section features two bedrooms, two bathrooms, a spacious living and dining area, kitchen, and a welcoming veranda. The second side includes one bedroom, one bathroom, a kitchenette, living room, and its own veranda. Additionally, there is an unfinished one bedroom, one bathroom extension with a living room at the back, offering excellent potential for rental income or a guest suite. Call today to schedule your private viewing and explore the endless possibility this property offers. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 212,000, Jamaican 33.4 million, Canadian 303.4 thousand, Euro 194.7 thousand, or 164.7 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.